Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. We were covering a chapter number first, whose name is computer networking. We have already covered a few topics, but today we will start from a network architecture. Okay, we will start from this topic. Okay, first write the date and day on the top of this topic. Now, what is the network architecture? Network architecture defines the overall design of the computer system. Underline this line, okay? Now, network architecture is the design of a network, okay? Underline word network and learn the spelling. Network is a where the devices are connected with one another. That is called a network. There are two types of network architecture. First is peer-to-peer network, okay? What is peer-to-peer network? It is a network of two or more computers that uses the same type of program to share the data. Now, it is a network where more than two computers we can use, and in such a network, we can use a same type of program to share the data. Okay, underline the first line. Okay. Now look at the picture here. This is a peer-to-peer network. Okay, each computer is considered to have a equal responsibilities and act like a server to the other computers in the network. Now, in this network, each computer is given a equal responsibility. Equal. If suppose here we are giving a 10% responsibility, then we will give a 10 responsibility to the all computers. Okay, and each computer will work like a server. It works well in small environment, but it will be more beneficial if we will use in a very small environment. Next is a client server network, which is a very important thing. Now, what is a client server network? It is a network in which one computer is designated as a server and all the other computers connected on the network are called clients. Up to this underline. Okay, this is a client server network. You can look at the picture. Suppose this is your network and this is your server, and we people are using a net, whether we are using a laptop, mobile or PC, we are connected to a internet, but our data will be stored on a this server. We are interacting with this server. Okay, uh, the clients can request for the services from the server. We can also request a services. Suppose we want to open a any web page on a internet, and then the request will first go to a server and then that site will be opened. This is called a client server network. Okay, this is the name of this type of network. Second topic is wireless networking technology. Now, what is networking technology? Wireless means we will not use a wire in this case. Okay. In a wireless networking technology, no wires or physical media is used for connecting computers. Underline first line. We will not use any kind of wire or physical media. This it uses electromagnetic waves, EM waves. We can call it in a short form, EM waves, like infrared rays, microwave and radio waves for the transmission of data. We use a electromagnetic waves, means we can use a radio waves, microwaves and infrared rays to send the data. The choice of technology depends on the distance and speed of the transmission. Now another thing is that it depends upon the distance and speed of the internet. According to that, we will use a technology. There are two types of wireless technology. First is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These two things are very popular these days. Now first is Wi-Fi. This is the symbol of Wi-Fi. You can look at the picture. Wi-Fi is the most popular wireless communication technology used for homes, private business lands, public hotspots. These days, we are using a Wi-Fi everywhere, whether you are at home or you are doing any kind of private business. We are using everywhere. A Wi-Fi enabled device such as PC, video game console, mobile phones, MP3 player can connect to the internet when it comes within the range of the wireless network. The main thing is that you should be in the range of Wi-Fi. Only you can connect to your PC, your game, or your mobile or MP3 player to it. Okay. Otherwise, if you are out of range, then you can't connect to your modem. Okay. Wi-Fi allows us to deploy local area network. You can call it a local area LAN, local area network without wire. That reduces the cost of network expansion. Now, there is a no headache of using a wire because it is a wireless. Okay. Now next is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is also a wireless connection. Bluetooth is a technology that enables wireless, learn the spelling of communication. Okay, underline this word. Communication means we talk with each other. That is the meaning of a communication. Bluetooth is a technology that enables wireless communication between low power consumption devices within a short range, 1 meter, 10 meter, 100 meter. Up to 100 meter you can connect a device. Bluetooth is, suppose one phone you want to connect with another phone using a Bluetooth, yeah, then you can connect up to 1 meter to 100 meter. It facilitates for different devices to communicate with each other when they are in a required range. Same thing in case of Bluetooth, you should be in a range of around 100 meters so that you can connect with another device. Latest version for Bluetooth 5.0 technology provides a data transfer speed up to 2 Mbps. Now, latest Bluetooth which we are using these days is Bluetooth 5.0 technology, and its speed is 2 Mbps. It provides a way to connect and exchange information between devices such as mobile phones, telephone. Underline this line, okay? Mobile phones, telephones, laptop, printers, personal computers, GPS receivers. A full form of GPS is Global Positioning System through 2.4 gigahertz short range radio frequency bandwidth. Now, using a Bluetooth, you can you can connect various devices, like you can connect mobile phone, laptops, printers, your GPS receivers, and its range is 2.4 gigahertz. Now, next is protocol. Now, what is protocol? Underline word protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that governs the communication between computers on a network. Underline first line as well. Protocol is just a rule. Rule how you communicate, how you communicate with the computer, how the two computers, you can say here is one computer and two, how the two computers communicate with each other over a network. Okay, there should be a network among the computers. Okay, certain network protocols and standards are to be followed in order to ensure that your computer can communicate with another computer over a network. Now, the another thing is that you have to follow the protocol and various standards you have to follow while exchanging your data between the computers, and you should also ensure that your computer is communicating with another computer over a network. Now, the different types of protocols used for different operations on the internet are. Now, what are the different protocols? First is HTTP. Protocols are very, very important. A question may be asked from you, asked from these types of protocols. Okay, first is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. It is a set of rules that defines how the web pages transfer data over the internet. Now, what is the role of HTTP? It will tell us how to transfer a data over the internet. Next is HTTPS. Here is S extra, hypertext transfer protocol. S means secure. Here S means secure. It is a secure version of HTTPS, and the information is conveyed into code to prevent unauthorized access. Now, why it is secure? Because the data is first converted into a coded form so that another person can't access your information. Nowadays, most of the websites uses HTTPS protocols instead of. Nowadays, we use the HTTPS. Okay, FTPS means file transfer protocol. It is a set of rules that allows the file uploading and downloading from the other computer over the internet. Now FTP helps in file transfer, means you can upload a file or you can download a file from any other computer. Now next is TCP IP, means transmission control protocol. IP means internet protocol. It is a, now underline FTP line. Okay, FTP under topic FTP, underline this line. Now so underline this line. It is a network protocol that defines how the information or messages are routed from one end of the network to the other. Now it is a network. TCP IP is a network protocol we use in case of network, and it will define how you can send a message from one network to another. And next is POP3, Post Office Protocol version 3. Okay, it is an internet standard. It is a protocol that allows email clients to receive email messages from email servers. We use POP3, means Post Office Protocol version 3, we use in case of emails. Okay, IMAP means Internet Message Access Protocol. It is an email protocol that stores email messages on a mail server and allows the users to view, access, and manipulate, underline this word, manipulate the messages on the mail server from their computer. Okay, now what is the role of IMAP? It is also used for the emails. Okay, and it will store the emails on the mail servers, and you can also view your email, you can view your message, you can access your message, or you can manipulate as well. Okay, now next is SMTP, means simple mail transfer protocol. It is an email, this is also email. These three protocols we use for a email purpose. Okay, for sending email messages, we use this protocol only just for sending a message over the internet. Now our chapter is completed. Read your chapter up to this, and thank you students. Stay home, stay healthy, stay happy.